What comes first in sauteing, garlic or onion? Saute means to fry quickly in a little amount of oil. Sauteing adds flavor and color to the dish. In the Philippines, we usually saute first garlic, then onion until it becomes translucent. Then chopped tomato is added and other seasonings. In Indian cookery, onions are caramelized before adding the ginger and garlic paste. In my cooking, I saute onions first with a little salt, which helps onion to cook faster. When the color of onions change, then I add garlic. Garlic changes its color and burns quickly. That's why it needs a quick stir frying. I add the chicken and stir continuously to absorb the flavor and color of onion and garlic. Caramelizing onion gives sweetness and color to the dish. Do you saute onion or garlic first? Comment down below.